Hello and everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've come with a new video that is really going to be interesting and very amazing to you. Do you know why? Because in this video I'm just going to share to you how we could overcome of the fearness of speaking English language and what is the reason behind it that the people they used to fear while speaking English language and all those things. So I'm just going to share to you that I was not okay, my health was not okay. I was having the cold and cough, even though I was having the high fever. That's why I was not uploading the videos on my YouTube, even though I just stopped to practice English language. But now I'm just good and I'm really fine. I hope you are also doing great and learning English language great way. I'm just going to share to you is that definitely all the people they have the dream to speak English language like fluently, confidently, without hesitation, without any fear. So yeah, definitely all the people they have the dream to speak English language like that. But the most important problem that we face is that we just stuck in speaking English language. We just stuck in middle of the speaking English language, so that we are not able to convey the message in a good way. Even though all the people's, like, when they start to speak English language, they just stuck in the middle and they just say that my minds stop working and I'm not able to thought what the thing that I have to convey in front of the peoples. Even though most of the peoples they also have the problem that I am able to understand the English but I'm not able to speak. So there's a lots of reason behind the fearness of speaking English language. So I would like to share to you. The first of the thing is that when the peoples, when they start to speak English language with the co-learners, like when they try to speak English language, so the first fears that click in their mind is that I'm the beginner one. Even though if I'm the beginner one, then differently I could speak English language wrong. So they have the fear of making mistakes because they are the first one, they are the new one, they are the beginners one. So that's why they have the fear that definitely I will going to make the mistakes because it's a new things that I'm just trying to do, and definitely it will be a lots of mistake that I will do, and the other people will also not able to understand in a proper way when the what the other people will think about me, that I'm not able to speak very well English language, I'm just making a lots of mistake, this kind of things. So for that also, like, if they also have the fearness of doing that, so they just lose the confidence also, they also hesitate a lot, and through which they just quit to learn English language and speaking English language because they are not able to do all those things, whatever the necessary thing that is being used, and they just being laughed by the peoples. So that's why they are just feeling the embarrassing and a lots of issues that they are feeling and that they are facing. So I would like to suggest is that there is necessary to us that we just have to command on these things, and this is the only fear that all the peoples, when they start to speak English language, when they try to speak English language, they just fear like this kind of problem. So I would like to suggest to you is that we don't have to fear about this kind of things. We don't have to think that if I'm the new one, if I'm the beginners one, then definitely I will going to make the mistakes, and if I'm going to make the mistake, then what the other people they will think about me. Even though I'm not a good speaker, I'm the person one who is speaking English language, that is speaking with a pro English. So we don't have to think about like that, because if we will gonna to think about this kind of thing, then definitely we could not achieve our success for doing anything new. So I would like to suggest to you is that we just have to do a great thing in our life, and if we want to achieve the success, if we really want to improve our communication skills, then there is needed that we just don't have to fear, because if we'll fear more and more, then definitely there will be a lots of struggles, lots of hurdles will come in learning phase. So there is needed that whatever the things that you are just trying to do, you just have to do better in that. And if you are just losing your confidence, then just think in your mind that I'm best, I can do anything whatever I just want. Because if you'll just think, and if you're also making the mistake, then you will have the confidence and the other people will also praise you, that even though you are just making the mistake, but you have the lots of confidence that you are right, you are just saying the right. And even though if you are just making the mistake, then just try to correct them after recording session, like if you are just connecting with the co-learners. So just record that video, and after having the recording sessions, you just have to see, you just have to go and just watch that what the mistake that you are just doing, what the correction that is being needed. And the thing that you have to do is that you just have to do a lots of practice, because if you start to practice English language, then you could overcome of the fearness. So in this video I'm just only going to tell to you is that you don't have to fear about speaking English language. And if you also have the fear, then just think in yourself that I'm having a lots of confidence. And if you're just losing the confidence, then you just have to think is that I am best, I can do anything in my life. So well, thank you guys, I will meet in the next video.